Good day, beautiful rain day. Good day for a 10K subscriber giveaway. Take two. The dog was just behind me when I started this and she was doing a little dirty business. Figured it'd be a little inappropriate to start the video off. So here we go. Let's get into this video. It's a little overdue, I apologize. First off, thank you to all of you subscribers, even the new ones, 10,250 or so. Thank you to all the old ones, the current, the future to come. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate you taking the time to watch, to follow. Hopefully you get some benefit, some enjoyment, some knowledge out of it. Got to make this somewhat quick. She's out going after walnuts. Going to get making a mess here because we've got so much rain. A couple things I need you to do though. One, first off, we'll start this, not a competition, but a giveaway. $100 Amazon gift card or something else I'll get to here in a minute. All you got to do is down in the comments below, first, comment a number, random number in between 1 and 10,000, just because of 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I will use a random number generator to pick the winner. Whoever's the closest to without going over, unless everybody goes over, then it'd be the closest to. That'd be kind of fun, like The Price is Right. 2, answer a simple question for me. I'm just getting a little feedback here. I don't know what you guys like. I got to get her inside the garage real quick. Trixie, come here. Drop it. Leave it. Let's go. There's so much rain out here. She's tearing the yard up. I'm home for lunch. It's rained a ton over the past day. Trying to get a little bit done. Let's see what we got in the rain gauge. 2.5 inches in a day. It's a lot of rain for the ground not being able to absorb it, and she's tearing it up. The other dog, they got to split them up like this so they tear the yard. Come on, Trixie, let's go in. So I lost my train of thought there. Sorry. Pick a number between 1 and 10,000. Comment down below. Come on, Trixie, let's go. What you like to see inside. There's the other one. Come on in. Do not go out there. Come on, let's go. Trix, let's go. Comment down below what you guys like to see so I know where to focus my efforts for you, whether it is like worst roof ever, roof inspections, how to find leaks, impromptu, roofing video reviews. Just let me know. I don't want to put time into it if it's not what the majority are wanting to watch, or maybe I could just do a good mix of it all. That's the second question. And 3, just for fun, because I don't know if you're in the U.S., other countries. In the U.S., Amazon gift card or some gift card of your choice they can get to you relatively easy if you're not a fan of Amazon. Sam's Club, something like that maybe. And then if you are overseas and you do win, let me know in the third question, answering what you want, what I could get you, because Amazon, I don't know if I can send Amazon gift cards to other countries. I sell on Amazon, and I know there's like Amazon US and Amazon whatever. And I'm worried that if I buy an Amazon gift card from my platform and try to transfer it to you guys overseas, because a lot of you are overseas watching, may not be able to receive it, and I don't want it to go poof, bye-bye. So I can send you some Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, some big blue chip cryptos. Even if I don't hold it, I'll buy one for you and can send it to you because it's super simple to do. Those 3 things. Definitely appreciate it. You too. I gotta get back. I'm just home for lunch for a little bit. Let me go back outside. A little better in the garage. Now they're not gonna tear up the yard. I got a lot to do yet today. I'm hoping to maybe get some more content, some interesting things I possibly can get to. Just need to have time to get to it. It is, what is today? Monday the 25th, I think. So this will wrap up this coming Saturday. Don't want to do it on Sunday, a family day, trick-or-treating day to my knowledge, I believe. I need to find that out, or I'm a bad dad. Yeah, hope you like the video, hope you like the channel, the content, and bringing you value. And speaking of bringing you value, I've learned so much this past year with crypto. That's why I'm bringing it up a little bit. I don't want this to be a crypto channel, roofing channel, but it's about saving you guys money and bringing you value and knowledge to the roofing industry, because it kind of lacks a little bit. But I've learned a ton of information with crypto, and it's changed my life and changed my family's life. Big time. So I want to share that with you guys. I might try to do a little video content on that too. I started the playlist, What's a Roofer Do With His Money? A few people questioned it. Some people don't like it. I don't know. Don't want to lose you, but it's huge. It's a big technology. It's going to change the world, like the .com, the internet age back when I was a kid, the apps, just all these things. It's going to be big. Distributed ledger, blockchain technology. It's amazing. Big opportunity. So with that being said, down in the description, I'll have a couple of links for BlockFi to get up to free $250 Bitcoin. Celsius is another good platform that I use. What else? Yeah, check it out. Start learning. Invest in yourself and your family and your future. Until next time, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one.